Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here. Thanks for joining me for another handmade card tutorial. Today I'm back with another take on Whimsy Stamps Goth Boy stamp set. As always, the products are going to be linked below and over on my website in the blog post for this video. Now, earlier, maybe like last week, I had done a card using this stamp set, and I just went ahead when I did that card and I stamped all of the images and colored them at one time. So that's what you're seeing there. Now I'm going to go ahead and start coloring this little guy up. I'm using black 100 and I'm just flicking some strands of hair, and then I'm going to come in and add some blue tips with B28. I thought it would be kind of fun since he is goth to give him some colored hair. Then for his face, I came in with E000 to go ahead and lay down a base color and then build on that. I followed with E00, and I'm going to start adding some shading to this with E04, a very fine line of that E04. I'm going to blend that out with E11 and then back to E00 and then E000. Then I add a little color to his eyes with G82. So for his shirt, I started out with YG23, and then I added a little tiny bit of shading with YG67 and then blended that back out with YG23. For the teddy bear, E30 lays down my base color, and then I just add E33 and E35 for details. So I colored that cupcake wrapper with N0, N2, and N4, and then I came into the frosting with YR61, YR65, and YR68. And then I added a little bit of E49 to those chips on the cupcake, just to give it some chocolate chips. So once I've finished coloring the images, I run them through my scan and cut. Now you could easily fussy cut those if you wanted to. Okay, so right now I'm going to apologize because this is not in the frame completely. So sorry about that. I have a 4" by 9" 110-pound card base. I have ink blending using Distress Oxides in the colors Blueprint Sketch, Squeezed Lemonade, and Peacock Feathers. And I just blend those three colors out on that card base. So I'm going to go ahead and run the Slimline Postage Die through my die cut machine, and using 110-pound cardstock, I'm going to adhere it to the card with mounting foam. And then once I go to put it on the card, I decided I wanted it at an angle. So I thought it looked I like this die for some reason at an angle on these slimline cards. I don't know what it is about it. Anyways, I go ahead and arrange all of his little buddies there using square mounting foams to adhere them to the card base. And then, of course, the sentiments were stamped beforehand with VersaFine Onyx Black ink on 80-pound cardstock. And I'm using square foams and a little bit of liquid adhesive to adhere those. I'm going to finish this off with a few black enamel dots. And that's going to bring us to the end of this tutorial. It was a very quick one today. If you want to leave a comment letting me know what you think of this cutie and all of his buddies, that would be great. I hope you enjoyed joining me, and I hope you have an amazing day.